Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome. It's me, Shelly, and I am so excited to share this message God has placed on my heart years ago. And now it's finally time to release it. From December 8th to December 21st, I'm doing a soft launch on my trilogy entitled Produce Now, God's Message to Humanity, where I'll be reading powerful excerpts from each chapter, creating a space where you can feel encouragement in your purpose, clarity for your next season, and feel God's presence surrounding you. Tonight's special guest will be my daughter, who will read the introduction for your listening pleasure. Whether you're watching this live, catching the replay, or joining us for the first time after the event has concluded on December 21st, we're so glad you took the time to join us. This is a community space, a spiritual experience, and a chance to slow down and hear what God may be whispering to your heart for your kingdom assignment. Now, I'd like to give a special thank you to my VIPs who registered for special perks and holiday pricing of my trilogy. I truly appreciate your support. And for those who want to go deeper and would like to learn how to pre-order your copy and join the Produce Now VIPs, click the link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I pray you enjoy each night as we unpack this message together. Okay, now, you ready? Let's begin.